Section 1 is about place value. 1.1 is about numbers from 0 to 120. A grade 1 student should know the numbers from 0 to 120. For example, what is the missing number below? The student should be able to identify it is from 74, 75, 76, 77. So the missing number is 76. 1.2, ones place and tens place. Let's use some examples to show these places. So the first one is 25. So we can see how many blocks are there. So there are 2 tens blocks and 5 ones. So in total, how many blocks are there? We can see it is 2 tens blocks plus 5 ones blocks, because 20 plus 5, so it is 25. Now let's have a look at the place value. For two digital number, for example 25, the rightmost column is the ones place, and the second column from the right here is the tens place. For 25, the value of ones place is 5, which means 5 ones, and the value of tens place is 2, which means 2 tens. So 25 is 2 tens plus 5 ones. Another example is for 46. What's the number showing below? So we can see there are 4 tens here and 6 ones here. So 4 tens plus 6 ones is 40 plus 6. So it's 46. Next one, how to understand 57. So it's 5 tens plus 7 ones is 50 plus 7. So it's 57. So this 5 is the tens place. This 7 is the ones place. It's the same. For 46, 4 is tens place, 6 is ones place. Same for 25, 2 is the tens place, 5 is the ones place. Also, we can see 57 as 57 the ones. 1.3 is about comparing two-digit numbers. So we should know greater than and less than symbols. First of all, equal sign or equal symbol is like this. Greater or more than symbol sign is like this. That means left is greater. Less or fewer than symbol is like this. That means left, the number on the left is less. For example, 25 is greater than 13. 52 is less than 63. And the student should be able to order the numbers below from the list to greatest. So it should be 42, 47, and 53, and the greatest is 58.